Amin, can you help me to solve this question?
Yes. Where?
This.
Oh, I already discussed this question with my friend yesterday.
Oh, so
Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. So this is the diagram we draw from the question. First one, Carlos has started earlier than Shannon. Carlos start with a coefficient of friction 0.1, but Shannon with a coefficient of friction 0.01. Okay, when Carlos already 5 meters away from starting point, Shannon just begin to start. Okay. With an angle for 12 degree, what is the time taken and what is the distance that Shannon and Carlos has met at the same point? Okay, this is a diagram for the person who are going down the for ski. At this point, at this slope, we have N. There is normal force that are go upwards, and then we have a coefficient of friction or force of the friction opposite the way of the direction, and then we have the weight, which is mg. Okay, for the mg in y direction, that is mg cos theta, but for the mg in x direction, that is mg sin theta. Okay. Okay, from the question we have retrieved the information for Carlos. Carlos has coefficient of friction 0.1 and velocity initial for Carlos at the starting point was 0 because Carlos start from the rest. 5 meters from the starting point, it has another velocity which require us to find the new velocity of Carlos when it 5 meters from starting point. We have retrieved the information for Shannon. Coefficient friction of Shannon is 0.01. Initial velocity for Shannon is 0 because it starts from rest. We need to find what distance Shannon can catch up to Carlos.
Okay, we use the formula F equal to F gravity minus F friction. When we expand, we get F equal to MA. So MA equal to mg sin theta minus nu n. Then we expand it because n equal to mg cos theta. Then we get MA equal to mg sin theta minus nu mg cos theta. We can cancel out the m because the m in the right side and the left side have the same. So then we can conclude the formula for we can find the acceleration. This is A equal to G in bracket sin theta minus nu cos theta. So from the formula before, we can get the acceleration of Carlos, which is 1.08 meter per second. Also, we can get the acceleration of Shannon, 1.94 meter per second. Next, we have to find Carlos' velocity. We use the v square equal to v naught square plus 2a delta x. So we will get the velocity in the 5 meter from the starting point 3.29 meter per second. Okay, we need to find a new equation. So we use the equation displacement as a function of time. Delta x equal to v naught t plus half a t squared. So from the equation, we can put all the information to the formula to get the new equation for Carlos. So we will get the new equation for Carlos, d equal to 5 plus 3.29 t plus 0.54 t squared. Next, for Shannon, we also use the same equation as before to find the new equation for Shannon. So we get d equal to 0.97 t squared. From both new equation Carlos and Shannon, we can find the t. So to find the t, we combine the equation of Shannon and Carlos. So we will get two time. First one 8.95 second, and the second one is negative 1.3. So we assume that time is not the negative, so we take the first one, the positive one.
So after we get the time 8.95, we can put this time into the new equation for Shannon. D equal 0.97 t squared, and we will get like this. We put it the time and we get the d equal to 76.8 meter. And we also put the time into the Carlos new equation before, like this, and we will get the d equal to 77.7 meter. Okay, this is the Shannon distance, and this is the Carlos distance when the Shannon and Carlos meet at the point. So we conclude that Shannon and Carlos distance into a plus minus 77. Plus minus 77.